What's up? What we're gonna do right now is kind of give you an insight to how it looks transferring the skill set into the ring. Now we're gonna use the peekaboo defensive prowess to really get to this point. So what we wanna do is give what we call a strategy for a round, or what in a fight camp, week 7. Week 7 is the week that you have to put your progress and process intact. So what we're gonna do is I want Mike to be in the peekaboo style. If I throw the jab, he got to be able to block it. How do you put the hands up for the peekaboo? You bring them and place them against the cheek. Why is that? So a guy can't punch right through the guard. And he slip left, he slip left, he slip right. Bam. Good. And he bobs. Bob. Good. And now what we're going to do is give you a clear insight on how to throw the shot. I want to peck and poke. So if I throw a jab, I want him to throw a jab to the body, and then come up top with a right hand. Good. And you see how he gets in and out. Then he's going to add the left hook to that. Step around. Bop, pop, pop. Good. So that's going to be our strategy in the fight. Like, that's what we're going to do. We're going to peck or we're going to poke. If he goes low, always have a direction, high or low. Peck high, jab, so jab up top, boom, and then right hand to the body. Good. And then he's gonna wipe my nose with the left hook up top. So here, step around, pop the jab, pop, pop, good. So when you're doing that, you have the insight and the strategy. Now what we're gonna do for you people is end it. If you want to see the entire breakdown, you got to come and join us in the group so you can see what it looks like, because we're going to transfer it into the ring. And that's going to give you a clear vision of how to develop a fighter going into his fight. That's all I got for right now. Coach Bradley signing out with my man. Mike. And Carson. And in the building. This is Master Boxing. You get your master's degree in boxing. To learn more about the peekaboo, click the link above. Holla at your boy. Peace. Good stuff. Let's get this thing popping. So your strategy is that. Your strategy is going to be this. Ready? I'm going to block your shots. Nope. How you block in the peekaboo. Boom. Good. Boom. Good. Bam. Good. Boom. Good. Boom. Now move your head left to right. Good. Left to right, good. Very good. Good. Or. There you go. Now, so what you want to do is feint, low, like you're going low, and then come up high in right hand. Yes, so feint low. Okay, go. Yeah. And add a left hook to that. Good, step around. Boy, you got to stop being so jittery. Relax and give me that stuff. You know, don't bounce hard. Just execute, all right? Yes, give me that again. Feint low, come up with the right. Double jab. Ready? Give it to me again. Feint low, come up. Time. That's your strategy. Have a strategy going into a fight. And what you'll find is you'll make them the huckleberry. Continue to follow us at Master Boxing across the board. Come check us out if you really want to learn how to do and use things like the peekaboo, the punch performance where we teach you throwaway shots, the footwork. Then come get it. We're getting it popping. Master Boxing in the building. What time is it? Peace.